Does the audio recording from your Rode wireless go-to mic, like this one, automatically save into your camera's raw footage file? The answer is yes. I was searching the internet for a quick answer, but we just have to test it sometimes. If you have your Rode wireless go-to microphone attached to your camera body, the camera that I'm using is a Sony. The trick is to go into your in-camera audio rec level settings and turn it all the way down. I have it set to 4 so that it's compensating for when you're recording with the microphone. So, thanks to me for answering my own question. Hopefully that helps you.